Building a high-converting WooCommerce store usually feels like a balancing act. You want to add features like variations, swatches, wish lists, and a custom checkout. Now let's talk about WowStore. It's the evolution of what we used to know as Product X. Today we're going to see if it actually delivers on the promise of one plugin to rule them all, or if it's just another piece of digital bloat. First, let's understand what exactly is WowStore. In short, it's a suite of professional Gutenberg blocks and builders designed specifically for WooCommerce. Since the rebranding and the 4.4 update, the focus has shifted entirely towards performance. Instead of using heavy page builders, WowStore lives inside the native WordPress editor. This means your site stays lightweight, your SEO stays happy, and you don't have to learn a whole new interface. If you can use WordPress, you can use this. Now let's talk about some of the features. First up, the builder. You aren't stuck with your theme's default layouts anymore. You can visually build your shop page, your single product pages, and even your archive pages using drag and drop blocks. But where WowStore really saves your money is in its built-in add-ons. Typically, you'd pay $50 a year for variation swatches, another $30 for a wish list, maybe $40 for a product compare tool. WowStore includes all of these features as one-click module. Partial payments or cart timer. Two features that we are obsessed with are the partial payments, which is huge for high-ticket items, and the cart reserved timer. These are high-level marketing tools that used to require complex setups, but here it's just a toggle. Now what about speed and the UX? Because WowStore is block-based, it only loads the CSS and JavaScript for the blocks you're actually using on a page. Our testing shows a great improvement in the largest content paint. In a world where 1 second delay costs you in conversion, this isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. WowStore also has many starter page templates, so you don't have to design your entire starter page from scratch. You can simply import a starter template that you like, and then you can customize the different elements of that page. It also has pre-made layouts in the builder library, so you can choose any layout that you prefer and use it for your pages. The product filter is also very convenient, as customers can filter their search and find the product they need. They can filter by price. It's also possible to filter by category, by status, and also by ratings. They can also sort by the popularity, latest, average ratings, pricing from low to high, pricing from high to low, and etc. And again, customers can choose what color of product they're looking for. You can also create a custom checkout page. If you're not sure, you can still use the builder library, as it has several checkout templates for you to use. Now it all sounds perfect, but what's the catch? Well, now let's talk about the pros and cons. For pros, we can say it's incredibly fast, it replaces about a dozen separate plugins, and the pre-made starter packs are actually stylish. Now let's talk about the cons. Now if you're a die-hard fan of other page builders, the Gutenberg workflow might feel a bit rigid at first. Also, while the free version is generous, the best stuff like the checkout builder is locked behind the pro version. Now let's take a look at the pricing. There are 3 plans that we can see over here. The first one is for one site, which is available at a discounted price of $39 per year. This gives you 1 year updates and support, 100 plus pre-made templates, 48 plus WooCommerce product blocks, 110 plus pre-made patterns, Gutenberg WooCommerce builder, and all the pro features. The next package is the unlimited sites. With it, you can use WowStore on unlimited sites. Finally, we can see the lifetime access deals. You can get WowStore for one site or unlimited sites. Now, as for our verdict, if you want a fast, modern WooCommerce store and you're tired of plugin soup, WowStore is the way to go. It's clean, it's powerful, and it makes your store look like $1 million without the heavy lifting. If you want to check out WowStore for yourself, we've left a link in the video description. If this review helped you, hit the like button and let us know in the comments, are you making the jump to Gutenberg this year? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.